Let's go for a ride. Looking at a 92 Rodeo in fantastic shape. The driver's window goes up and down, the other ones don't. And it's got the sunroof in there with the cover. We're gonna go for a ride. It's idling right now. It's a special vehicle because it is a diesel. And the chassis has 276K miles on it. The engine, it has about 100 on it because it's a JDM Powertrain from a 92 Trooper, and it's a 3.1 turbo diesel. I'm gonna fire it up and then we can listen to it. All right, I think. Let's go for a ride. Gets up to speed pretty good. It's very comfortable. It rides great. It does have air conditioning. It does need a charge. The tires on it have 5 miles on it, literally. I just bought them. They're BF Goodrich all-terrain radials. It's a joy to drive. And we're cruising. The speedometer is accurate. We're cruising at 65 right now. Now we'll give it a brakes a test. Didn't quite lock them up, but I didn't want to. The interior has got a radio and a player. It's got the 5-speed with a 4 low, 4 high. Notice there's no boot, and there's the new boot right there. I never put that on because this needs to be changed, and I do have a rubber boot for that as well. This is a walk around of the Isuzu. It is the 3.1 turbo diesel. The battery is fairly new. Last year, I think. Like I said, the tires are brand new. Now there's 6 miles on the tires. It is a very nice car, SUV. It's in fantastic shape. It has no rust whatsoever. The clear coat is starting to peel off on the hood and on the roof. Notice the sunroof, I've sealed that up because the drains were one of them was plugged and it was getting wet inside, so I didn't want that. You can see the rust, none. Frame's even very nice. Full-size spare. This came from, it's been in New Mexico, obviously. But I think it originated from Texas, this truck. So we're gonna take the spare. There's a lever here. You just pull this, it opens it up, and then that latches like that. And there you go. It's inside. It's open so you can get inside here. And then you push this button, pops the glass, and then you can open it up. And there's a handle right here. This wiper right here works. It's a little dirty back there, a lot dirty. And notice I have these as well. These are those rain things that you put on top of the window. Brand new in the box. A couple of new wipers. Here is that shift boot I told you about in the drive. There's an extra alternator belt and other belts. There's other parts that I thought maybe you might want with. So they're gonna come with it. This thing is, hi. I don't want to get rid of this, actually. I would prefer to keep it, but I can't ship it to the Philippines where I'm moving. So my great loss is your gain, as they say. Again, there's no rust. There's a couple of dings in the trim. Brand new tires. I keep telling you about those brand new tires because they were $1,000. Those darn things aren't cheap. But you know what? These are real nice tires. They're quiet and they bite. So if you want to do some moderate off-roading, these are real good. All right, I'm gonna fire it up and then we can listen to it. All right, I think. That's really good. Turbo diesel. And then it's got the fuel filter right there. And to change it is real simple. You won't need to change it for a long time because it's brand new. I'll have 2 extra fuel filters in the back. Well, we're in a beautiful area. It's called Roaring River where I live. And I'm gonna climb out of there. So I've got it in 4 high right now. And I'm gonna show you that work. It's quiet, there's no noise, you can use it on the road. Let's put it in 4 low. There's 4 low, it goes in nice and easy. And it's like super low. So we'll just, let's put in 2nd gear here. Climb out of here. It's gonna be bumpy right here. No biggie. So let me get this thing up to speed. And so you can hear if there's a gear noise and stuff, which there isn't. That's 4th gear. You can hear just a little bit in low range. That's pretty nice. So there you go. There's the 4-wheel drive, both 4 high, 4 low, and now we're gonna drive back home and I'm going to show you a full throttle acceleration, except not out the front but out the back, so you can look and see that there's no smoke. Here we go. That's full throttle, that's it. Revving it, everything else. So there you go. Burns clean. This is a great running SUV, and I've checked it. I haven't driven it that many miles. I've only driven it, I don't know, a couple of thousand miles since I've owned it, due to stuff in life. But anyway.